What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Hope everyone's having a great start to their semester. I just wanted to make a quick video to update everybody about what's been going on in my life, what's going on currently, and what is about to happen throughout this semester, as well as what you can expect to see on this channel. So as some of y'all already know, I've talked about it a little bit in my past few videos. I recently graduated. I got a bachelor's in applied math, and this is actually my first semester as a graduate student, which is really exciting, but also a little bit terrifying, all right? So my first semester as a grad student, that's a big new thing in my life currently. This is my first time taking graduate level classes. And another new thing is that I also moved. I moved from Austin to San Marcos. So I was commuting from Austin to San Marcos back and forth 4 to 6 days a week throughout my whole time at Texas State University as an undergraduate. Now I'm a graduate student, and now I moved and I live a mile from campus, which is incredible. It's absolutely life-changing. I love living this close to campus, but the actual moving part was horrible. It sucks. I mean, everyone knows moving sucks. If you've ever moved before, it sucks. You always have more stuff than you think. It always takes longer. It always takes more trips, but I finally think I got settled in, and this is the spot where I'm probably going to be filming for the next, I signed a year lease, so for the next year, this is the spot. And you may notice that something is different. This is a chalkboard. Before I had a whiteboard. What's the deal? Well, yes, I got rid of my old whiteboard. I bought a new whiteboard, and I was looking for a spot to hang it. I finally found a spot. I put it up. I tried to get the lighting and the camera angle and all that stuff, and it's just a nightmare. And here's the deal with whiteboards and why it's a nightmare. It's because whiteboards, they reflect and they glare very heavily, and to try to record a whiteboard at position, you just got to get it, you got to nail it and get it perfect. And I had that at my old place. I got it to where it was pretty good, and I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. So I just returned the whiteboard, got the chalkboard, and this chalkboard is actually bigger. It's actually 36 by 48 inches, 3 feet by 4 feet. So bigger chalkboard, and I personally like chalk, right? I'm not against chalk by any means. I wanted a whiteboard because I didn't want to pick up, I didn't want to have to vacuum up chalk dust and that sort of thing, but I don't mind chalk. And even some of my viewers have said they prefer chalk over whiteboards, which I always thought was an unpopular opinion. But through this channel and through the people commenting, I found out that it's not that unpopular. A lot of people prefer chalk. So here I am with the chalkboard. Don't pay too much attention to what's written on it. It's a lot of gibberish. I was trying to figure out a proof for my analysis course. But I wanted to leave it up because, I wanted y'all to see the colors, see the quality of the board, and also because I still need to copy this down and write out the proof formally, and I need some of this stuff, to reference. But here it is. This is the spot I'm going to be filming. This is right now natural light. So I have natural light coming through the windows. I have the ceiling light, but I also have another light that I may set up, especially when it starts getting darker. When I need that light, I'll set that up. And I also have a microphone that I can wire through, but I don't even know if I'll need it. I think I talk loud enough, and I think the mic is clear enough. Hopefully you can hear me well, but I'll experiment with all that stuff and eventually I'll get it down. But this is where I'm going to be filming and what you can expect throughout this semester on this channel, because again, I really want to focus on my classes. My first semester as a grad student, I really want to give my full attention to my classes, learn as much as I can, do all the assignments, do the best I can, and hopefully succeed in those classes. I also have a teaching assignment. I'm a teaching assistant at Texas State University. I've been assigned 2 pre-cal labs. So the labs are basically a supplement to the lecture. It's where they go, they can talk to each other, work together, they can ask me questions, they get that extra practice that they need for pre-cal, Cal 1, Cal 2. So I'm that lab instructor for 2 different labs. I want to make sure I give them my full time and attention as well, right? So because of all that going on, I still think though that I can make 2 videos a week. That's what I've come up with. 2 videos a week I think is a safe bet, and I can still put my time and focus on those things and make 2 videos a week. So that is my goal for this channel throughout the semester, which is until mid-December, is 2 videos a week. And one of those videos you can expect to probably be a pre-cal topic. So maybe it's an exam review, maybe it's a specific topic that a lot of my students are struggling with, maybe it's some examples from a worksheet or something. Pre-cal, because again, I want to make sure my students get some of my focus, That second video per week, just whatever I want to make, right? Could be, I want to talk more about proofs. I'm going to continue my sort of series on proofs. We got to get into proof by contrapositive, contradiction, and all that stuff. And I want to talk more about differential equations. I want to talk more about Calculus 1. I don't have that much calculus stuff. So I have a lot of different ideas for videos I want to make. So really it's going to be whatever I feel like making, whatever I feel like talking about, because the videos turn out better when I really want to talk about it. When it's like exciting to me, the videos turn out better and they're easier to make. So that's what you can expect throughout this semester, is 2 videos a week pre-cal, and then whatever fun video I want to make about a math topic, and maybe even not about math. Let me know. Whatever recommendations you have for videos you want to see, let me know in the comments. I'll read them all and I'll consider them all. I could do like a grad student vlog. I could do like how to succeed in calculus, or just random like math education type videos, how to learn math, that kind of more general stuff. Let me know in the comments below. And again, I feel really blessed. This is what I love to do. I love learning math and helping others learn math, and I get to do that every day, and pretty much my whole life is doing those things, which is what I love. So it's pretty incredible. I'm feeling pretty good right now, and thank you all who've cared enough to watch. I literally just turn the camera on and talk about what I love, and people tune in and they say that they enjoy watching, which is mind-blowing. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you want to see. Of course, do the like and subscribe and all that stuff, but most importantly, enjoy the semester, have fun, work hard, and keep flexing those brain muscles. See y'all later.